China's tire industry is rolling back from COVID-related setbacks thanks partly to inflated demand overseas. Data shows that last year, the country produced 591 million semi-steel passenger car radial tires, an increase of 22% from 2022, with exports up 20% to 287 million. This tire trading company in the eastern Chinese port city of Qingdao says their tire exports jumped more than 30% last year, and demand is showing no sign of fizzling out.
The increase in demand has been evident in the Middle East. Exports to Russia and Europe have also grown considerably this year.
Manufacturers say with competitive prices and high quality, tires made in China are gaining popularity overseas as much of the world grapples with high inflation.
Some clients who used to buy top international brands have turned to Chinese tires, which are cost-effective. Many first-time buyers would place more orders afterwards.
Apart from the robust overseas demand, analysts point to accelerated growth of the domestic auto industry as another driver for the tire sector.